Hello everyone, it is CC Cookie VR here today, and this is part 1 of playing every Gorilla Tag horror game there is. So please enjoy the video. In J-Man, I will find you. Alright guys, so we're gonna play Crawl Space. I'm honestly kinda scared. Oh my god! Oh,
this way, guys, this way.
Finally, I'm out.
Harold?
No.
Turn off your flashlight.
Oh, what the Sigma?
I am not turning off my flashlight. I'm good.
Which way? This way? Or that way?
My
Let's
name
go
is a
this way.
W. That's not true.
Oh shoot.
Nut.
Oh, if I turn off my light, I'm cooked, bro.
I'm about to come.
I'm about to go.
Hey guys, I'm gonna take a spin in my new flying and invisible car. You ready? Yeah. Sure. I don't think we should go down here, man.
Hey, Ro. Hey. Hey, Ro. Hey.
Guys, I'm in the back rooms. Guys!
I know, I see you.
Ro.
I see you in the back.
Hey, Ro.
I'm gonna try and...
Oh!
Well, you're stuck in the back rooms now. Have fun.
No, I know, Clip. No.
Swear this game.
I don't have to start.
I see monkeys. I'm on the door.
I see
I'm on the
monkey,
black
I
door.
be monkey.
Be a
Look at the door.
Big black monkey.
Skibbity bop. Skibbity bop. I'm scared of them. Freaking green. Freaking blue talkie, red talkie. Oh! What the hell? Now all 3 of them are there, bro.
We are safe because we
Oh,
not
my
stuck in a cage.
Skibbity bop.
Just leave.
Oh shoot! Run! They're coming!
Why is he hitting the tree? Look.
Sigma yeah.
He's hitting the tree.
Oh! Run!
Help me! I'm stuck in the vent.
Come on!
I hear that.
I just went out the map.
Oh my god.
What the Sigma?
I'll go in with the cancer. Where's the mod menu X? Where's the mod? I do have the original. Dude, I have like the big. I have the fat mod menu. I have the fat mod menu. I'm gonna be queso mod menu.
I ain't the queso mod menu. That's the size thing.
Desktop, what do you call it?
Platform.
Go on desktop.
I'm using platform.
Holy! Get away from me!
Hey, roll, anyone in here? Oh no! Get the freak out of here! Chat, everyone, follow me! Everyone, follow me! Oh, I thought I got jump scared.
You know you can see people's ID and
Skibbity bop. Watch, they're gonna start chasing me. Oh wait, no they're not. There's already people over here. Sigma Riz. Yeah.
We love Fortnite ball.
Oh shoot, they're coming. Bro, I think we're good.
I had a heart attack, Black!
What is with the jump scare?
Tell you wanna what? Black! I'm gonna have a heart attack.
Oh shoot. He's coming. No, did you leave me?
I'm testing something out.
What
Oh my god!
the frick?
Oh my
Where
god,
am I?
look at him.
Yo, someone help me! Help me! Help me! Where am I?
I'm Water.
Help me!
My name is Water.
Help me!
You're in the back rooms.
How do I get
You're
out?
in the back
How do I get out?
rooms.
How do
You
you?
can't.
Why do you?
Can't?
You don't.
You have to reset your game.
Is there monsters in here?
I'm in there's a back button. Guys.
I gotta do this. Gotta try it.
I just escaped that white room.
Chat. Is there any monsters in this game mode? Yo, is there any monsters in this game mode?
Yep.
Really? Where are they?
Yep. Come on. I literally just died. That's why I'm really fucked.
Well.
Yeah, last time I came in here, I couldn't find anything.
The monster's really annoying. Should take one. Yes, he is. My calculation is working.
But I was just
Okay, come on. This is the whole way down, guys.
Where?
Very scary.
What? Hold up. No, that's scary. That's scary, y'all.
Could you all tell me what that was?
He's over there.
What was
Could
that?
someone tell me what it was?
Over here. Alright.
I heard
Good to
scream-
know,
I heard
good to know,
yelling.
good to know, good to know.
Y'all were hunting down the monster.
Okay.
Bro.
Good to know. Now we lost him, that's great.
Guys, come back.
He's around here, but...
Did you order the chicken with the fried rice? I pray you're eating it.
Calculation sheet.
I pray you're eating. Do the frag.
Peekaboo.
Ooga booga.
It's not here. It's sadly not here.
Booger.
We lost him, I think. I don't know.
Group beer.
Alright then.
Mama, please.
Hallway, I guess.
I pray you're eating. To the frag.
Mister.
Death hallway.
Mr. Skibbity Bob.
Death hallway.
Mr. Skibidi
Death hallway. Death hallway.
Touch the light.
Yeah, right. Alright.
Nope, I'm good.
Alright.
Look at that one singular light.
There you go. Good job, people.
Why wouldn't you like my guy?
Wait.
Oh, he's behind us in that wall. He's back there. He's down there.
He's like...
He's nearby. I saw him.
I just died.
Chat. Bro.
Yeah, he's too fast.
Bro, he's so fast, bro. That was so scary. Oh my gosh. Bro. Yo, we gotta go find him. I need a better look at him.
Where is his ass? Well, what color am I? Oh wait, let me see. Oh, I'm teal.
You're turquoise.
Where is his ass? I'm turquoise. Okay, that's fine. Anyway, okay.
Bro, I spawned in the lobby.
Oh.
Come here.
Look. Are you scared?
Skibbity
The monster's
toilet will free my soul. I wanna get lost in your pick and roll and take my away. Give me the Rizzler and Riz my yacht. I wanna get lost in your skibbity top and Riz away.
See this way. Should be right there.
Hey people! Oh, I see. Hold up.
By the way, it's super bright for me. I can see all the way down there. I can see that wall.
Harold?
all the time.
If you had the mod menu X and you weren't...
Do you have my,
Timu
Timu order?
How do you see it? Again?
I can see the walls. My flashlight's off and I can see
Average
the ground.
Timu worker?
Why? How?
Nothing.
Yo, I think he's down there.
Oh, he's that way. Right? He is that way. He's down there.
Oh yellows in third person in a different
He's
map.
down
Now
there.
it's this.
Chat.
If you want to know, he is
This
down
is
there.
spooky dookie.
He's down there.
This is super
I heard
spooky.
a sound. The monster's down there. The monster's down there.
Hey, why is there two yellows?
Harold?
What the?
Yeah, he didn't even save me at all.
Down there.
Harold.
He's down there.
I'm being chased.
I saw yellow all the way to the
Then go down there. If he is down there, we shall go down there.
Oh, he's right there. Oh my god.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
He's stuck.
Chat, bro, bro, we gotta go back. Hurry, hurry, come on, we gotta go, we gotta go.
He's so fast.
Go, come on,
So
come on, come on.
fast.
Gotta go.
We never He's so fast, dude.
I know, I was like so far away from him, and he got me.
Yeah, cause that's how fast he is. Oh my, that's how fast he is.
There's a blue blanket. Oh shoot. Oh, he's coming! He's coming! He's coming! He's coming! He's coming for me! Please take. Yo, he's down at spawn! He's down at spawn! He's down at spawn!
He's not here. He's
Yo,
not here.
he's like right over here. He's like right over
What is
here.
going on today?
Yo, go down there and then take a left, and he's down there. That's where he killed me.
Yeah.
That's where it was. He was right here.
Should we go down? He's right over there. Bunkers. Get ready to run for your life.
Hey, Mungers!
Bunkers. Hey, Bunkers. He's coming.
Get Riz, skibbity toilet! Get Riz, skibbity toilet!
He's in death hallway.
Skibbity toilet, skibbity toilet! Skibbity bob, skibbity bob, skibbity bob, skibbity bob, skibbity bob, skibbity bob. Bro, turquoise. I need you to listen to me. Skibbity toilet.
Bro, shut the fuck up. Guys, come.
What the skibbity toilet?
He's right here. He's right.
I don't believe you. There is no way he is right there.
He's in death hallway.
I'm taking a rush.
He's in death hallway.
He's in death hallway. Taking a rush right now.
Yo, I'm so scared right now. I'm not even gonna go any far closer. Yo, if I go any closer, he's gonna kill me.
Down there, I'm dead. Come with me.
Hello? Yo, I'm coming.
Imagine if he just gets unstuck and just chases us.
Munkers! Oh, he's down there. He's down there. He's down there.
Let me see him. Let me see him.
Oh no. Oh, I'm keeping my distance.
He's right there.
I'm keeping my distance.
He's stuck.
Yo, everyone, he's stuck. He's stuck.
Get him. Someone go get him. Someone go get him. He's purple.
Hold on.
Yo, I will do this for y'all. I will do
I'll
it.
give you $100 if you go.